What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I did a video on Maker World's site a couple of months ago, and then I did another one on another site where you could create, that was Cookie CAD, where you could create your own drink stirs and things like that. So now I'm going to go to Maker World and do a Lightbox for my son's fraternity. He is up in college in his second year, and we are going to go and see if we can create this and see how it turns out. So I'm on MakerWorld's site, and I went to Maker Lab and chose the Lightbox Maker, new project. I'm going to drag and drop an STL, or actually a PNG, which looks like that. So we got that there. No need to remove background because there isn't a background, so we're all good there. And what I'm going to do now is get rid of all of the excess colors here and see what it looks like. And it might look like garbage, so I might need to readjust it. So let's see here. Never used this before. Number of colors, let's go 1 and just see what happens. Guess you go like that. Yeah, that looks kind of dumb. So I guess we'll go 2. There really isn't 3, so I don't know why it's saying 2. We'll do that, and I think I have red, I might have black, so I'll do the black on the outside and white on the inside with my AMS. Hit next, confirm that. And we should be good. I'm going to make it a little bigger here. I'm using my P1S. Want it kind of as large as possible. So that looks good. Now I'm going to export P1S, 0.4 nozzle size. Confirm that guy. Download. And let's see what happens. We will be back to see how things turn out. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we are in Bamboo Studio. Let's go ahead and import that Lightbox and see what it looks like. And has a black backing, and it's using red right there around the insignia. So I'm going to change that to black. So I'm going to go here and tell it that the filament here is black. And that should be good. It looks pretty cool. I'm going to slice this in black and get that on the printer. Let's do that. Actually, let's not do that because I just noticed that it's PLA carbon fiber and we're not using that. We're going to use PLA, and that screws everything up. So let's change this back to black. See if that works. Alright, that's cool. And then we will change 3 to black, I think it was. Yep. Alright, so we're good. So let's get this one sliced and on the printer. It's a 3MF, so it's using 2 wall loops, 20% infill, aligned rectal liner. I guess that's probably okay. It makes it kind of flexible. I'm going to go 3 wall loops just to make sure that it's good. I'm using a BQ or Big Tree Tech glacier plate. It's brand new. I've used it one time for the basketball, the flexible basketball that I printed. My video is down below for that. It turned out pretty awesome. So I'm going to use this. It's not a bamboo cool plate, but same concept, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and slice this. And we'll get it on the printer. The black is in A4. So we should be good to go. I'm not going to time lapse it, or maybe I will, just for giggles, right? And it's on its way, and we will be back in a bit to see how it turned out.